Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre and today's pick a card reading is extremely interesting. Today we will find out whether your wish is going to get fulfilled, and we're also going to find out when it will happen, and we'll also get some more insights with our angel numbers. All right, so before we begin, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do like and share this video. Now, to make it more easy, I have kept candles this time on the three piles. This is a gold candle, this is an orange candle, and this is a green candle. So whichever color you are attracted to, you can choose that particular pile to understand whether your wish will get fulfilled or not. Also, please understand this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave what does not. All right, and do subscribe to my channel, and do write in the comment section what all pick a card reading you would want me to do on, because I really enjoy doing them. And we also have a Facebook page, Spiritual Retreat by Sheetal Sapin Matre. You can like that page as well. For booking your personal appointments, all the details are given in the description column, so you can refer that as well. So, time to choose your pile. Alright, pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus on the 3 piles. Now, close your eyes and observe what pile is calling to you. You can even choose more than one pile, or you can choose the 3 different piles for 3 different wishes of yours. All right? So all those who have chosen group number 1 and this beautiful golden candle, so here is your reading. First and foremost, your golden candle is clearly telling me that your wish is around career, abundance, finances, all right? So yes, it's a beautiful color that you guys have chosen. Okay, now let's see what your cards are telling, all right? So you have drawn the King of Wands. Another King of Wands. Oh my God, interesting. Group number 1. You've drawn Ace of Wands, lot of Wands energy. Wheel of Fortune. The Moon card. Okay. 2 major arcanas. Easy does it. Children. New career. Your wish is granted. Wow. Get more information. Perfect timing. Debt paid off. Crystals. Wait. Explore your options. Messenger of emotions. Time to move on. And trust. Lovely. So one thing is very clear, that you guys, you have wish around, okay, finances, career, okay, children. I feel that most of you are worried about your children, okay, also whether you'll have enough funds for their education, or for their marriage. So yes, this particular group is worried about their children's future education, anything to do with their children. Also, I feel that some of you are also wanting to parent a child, okay, so you're kind of thinking about it. as I said, this particular group, okay, your wish is also around your career. And no wonder you were drawn towards this gold candle, because again, the color gold is about abundance. So this particular group wish revolves around finances, career, children. Okay, also I am getting a feeling that this particular group, there are some people who wish for their ex to come back. So for you guys who are hoping that their ex will come back, the angels are telling you to explore your options and move on. Okay, they're very clearly telling you to explore your options and move on. Also, for all those people, you know, who are stuck, okay, that they want a particular job itself, or they want a particular thing, you know, wherein you're fixated on a particular wish, the angels are telling you not to be fixated on a particular wish, but to explore your options and to move on. What I'm also getting is that you guys, you know, you did have a pretty bad past, okay, regarding the wishes that you are hoping will be completed. Okay, so you have kind of a bad past about it, and you know that is kind of making you doubt, okay, whether your wish will get completed or whether it won't get completed. So the angels are asking you to trust, and they're also asking you to listen to your intuition, to listen to the inner wisdom, okay, and to keep your self doubt away, because yes, your wish, okay, will get completed, as we have seen in this particular card. What I'm also getting is that this particular group, okay, that your wish will get completed, but it will get completed in not you the time that you want it to happen, but in divine timing. Okay, however, please understand one thing, that the divine timing which the angels are telling you, okay, may not necessarily be later than the time that you are hoping for. All right, but yes, what the angels are saying is that for your wish to get completed, you need more information. Okay, so the information that you are having is incomplete. What I'm also getting is that you need to do more research. Okay, I'm also getting for this particular group is that there is some paperwork, okay, which is pending and which needs to get completed. Okay, from this particular card I'm getting that there is some paperwork which you have kept incomplete, or which needs to be completed for your wish to get fulfilled. So please ensure that you have all the information about all the paperwork that is required for your work to happen. Now interestingly, you guys have drawn two of King of Wands, okay, which means too much of energy, too much of a King of Wands, you know, somebody who is very adventurous, okay, who is very on his feet. Okay, so you need to calm down. All right, if you're taking too, you know, what I'm seeing is you are working really hard for your wish to get complete. You're praying hard, you're really working hard, but you need to understand that you need to calm down. Okay, too much of aggression is not going to help. Also, I am seeing that there's definitely going to be a man who is going to help you in to fulfill your wish. I see a lot of new beginnings for this particular group. Okay, I'm also seeing that, you know, you need to use your crown chakra, okay, because there's a lot of amethyst in this crystal, in this particular card. So I see that you need to, you know, open up your crown chakra, listen to your intuition, you know, use new, you know, you need to get inspired, you need to have more ideas. Okay, here also the Ace of Wands is also talking about new ideas, new inspiration. Okay, you need to get in that energy is what I'm seeing. Also, the Wheel of Fortune is telling me that, you know, you are kind of wondering, okay, whether your luck will change, whether destiny will change. So the cards are saying yes, your destiny will change, provided you take it easy. Okay, because if you're going to be too stressed about, as in when is it going to happen, will it happen, you know, so you're going to delay it further. So the angels are telling you that, you know, that whatever you are wishing for, it will happen. Okay, also I feel that this particular pile, okay, is kind of waiting for a promotion. Okay, so yes, the promotion will happen, but it will take its own course. Okay, so what I'm seeing is that either you will get promoted in the same organization that you're working for, or there will be a job change. Okay, and it will mainly happen via um, uh, you know uh, via a particular man, okay, who is very successful. All right, so you need to get in touch with that colleague of yours, that ex-boss of yours. Okay, also what I'm getting is that this particular group, okay, you love dressing up, you love really dressing up ex- extremely well. So the angels are telling you that all that you desire in terms of looking good and being more fit, okay, will happen. Okay, will happen, but you need to do movement. Okay, you can't be sitting in one place and not following a diet and expecting that you will automatically get fit. Okay, so you need to work on your fitness. Okay, is what I'm getting. Okay, so what else am I getting for this particular group? Yes, I am seeing that this particular group, okay, you need to work if most of your life purpose involves working with children, or it also involves parenting children. Okay, so what the cards are telling is that you need to work with Archangel Metatron. If some of you from this particular group are having problem in conceiving, or have blockages regarding conceiving, so you need to work with Archangel Metatron to help you to release those blockages from your Akashic records. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for group number 1. Okay, also you guys are waiting for some news to come in. Okay, you're so desperately waiting for some amazing news to come in. So the angels are telling that news will come. Okay, but you'll have to be patient. Okay, you have to wait. So if you ask me whether your wish is going to get fulfilled, I'm clearly getting that it will get fulfilled, but it will get fulfilled in divine time. I know many of you would hate that word divine time, but divine time is better than our time, because the divine knows exactly when we should get a particular wish of ours fulfilled. Okay, so now let's see what angel numbers, what the angels want to give you message by using numbers. Okay, so let's see what numbers. Let's see, angels, what message would like to give to group number 1, 2 numbers. Okay, let's see. Oh, lovely. See, I told you guys. Okay, interestingly, you have drawn the number 88 and 34. Okay, now as I said, okay, the color gold. So definitely this particular group, okay, the angel number 8, 88, okay, says a lot of abundance, a lot of opportunities are going to come to you. As I said before, that this particular group has struggled a lot, okay, with regards to their wishes getting fulfilled, because there's a lot of Saturn energy. Okay, however, the number 88, the angel number 88, is saying that abundance is coming to you. Yes, your material needs, your whatever you're worried about, okay, your abundance, your finances, okay, all that will definitely get resolved. Okay, the next number the angel number that you have drawn is 34. Okay, which says, okay, that millions of angels, god and goddesses are supporting you. So have faith. Also, the angel, when you add 3 and 4, it comes to 7, which means you are on the right path. All right, so yes, this is amazing. You're gone, see how amazing it is. The angel number and the candle and the cards, they all the three things are telling one common thing, which is abundance. Okay, abundance. Now let's see, when will your wish get completed. Okay, so let me pick a number for you. Okay, So you have drawn the number 3, which means your wish will get completed between 3 months to 3 years. Yes. Okay. Also, this particular number is telling me that if you want your wish to happen faster, you need to pray, you need to make your Jupiter more strong. Okay, how can you make your Jupiter more strong? You can make your Jupiter more strong by donating yellow things on Thursdays. It can be yellow dal, it can be yellow cloth, anything that is yellow in color. Okay, so you need to donate that in order for your wish to happen faster. Okay, so please understand this is a general reading, so whatever resonates with you, take it. Whatever does not resonate with you, leave it. Do like my channel. If you like this reading, do write in the comment section what resonated with you, what you found really interesting. So do I love reading your comments. I read every comment that you write, and in fact I even look forward to reading your comments. So do write in the comment section what you liked. Also do write to me what new topic would you like me to take on in terms of pick a card reading. All right, so group number 1, the ones who chose the beautiful gold candle, your wish is definitely going to get fulfilled, and a lot of abundance is definitely coming your way. Hello group number 2 and all those who have chosen this beautiful orange candle. First and foremost, I can definitely see that your luck is going to change. You're going to get good fortune because you've chosen such a beautiful candle. Okay, I see a lot of sudden changes happening in your life for the better. Okay, now let's see regarding your wish, what the angels are saying. You're drawn the Justice card. Oh, lovely. The Karma card. You're drawn 5 of Wands. You're drawn 9 of Pentacles. You're drawn Queen of Swords. Interesting. There are 2 ladies with a sword in your reading. Okay. The Tower. There's something better. Pregnancy. Marriage. Lovely. New home. Lovely, lovely. Improving health. Oh my god, this group has got everything. It's up to you. Let go. Within the next few months. Lovely. Out with the old, in with the new. Leadership. Big happy changes. Oh my god, group 2, lovely, lovely. Consult an expert and bless change. Okay, lovely. So let me see what is group number. So definitely group number 2, your wish is around, okay, your love life, your marriage, pregnancy, and a new home. So your also I see that okay, group number 2, what I am getting is that whatever your wish is, okay, whatever you're asking for, okay, you're going to get something better. So for example, let's assume that you have asked for a new home. Okay, so what does something better means? So the angels will, instead of giving you, say if you asked for a 2 BHK, okay, the angels will give you a 3 BHK. However, it may be something slightly different than what you have asked for. So definitely what I'm getting group 2 is that you are, see that we have got 2 change card, okay, blessed change and big happy changes. So definitely what I am getting is that there is going to be a change, a major change in your life. However, and it will be for the better, but it will not be as per what you want. Okay, what I am getting is that if you are praying for a particular job, then it may so happen that you will get a job somewhere else and it will be much better than what you have prayed for. So that's what the angels are telling me. The angels are also telling me that this particular group, okay, you guys have really, there's a lot of opposition, okay? Whatever your wish is, okay, I see a lot of opposition against it, okay? A lot of forces against you. Also, these forces are against you because of, at times you guys can be really harsh, okay? So you need to soften your tone. It does not mean that you have to be very too sweet, sugary. It just means that you need to tone down your harshness, okay? Also, what I'm saying is, group number two is that the angels are telling you that you need to take charge of your life, okay? You can't be sitting in the back seat waiting for your life to happen. They're asking you to take charge of your life. They're asking you to just go ahead, and even the five of wands, okay, they're asking you to kind of fight it out, okay? Just not just not be behind the in the cars behind and just waiting that some things will automatically move on its own, okay? Also, I'm seeing that this particular group, okay, you guys are kind of uh, either you are planning for a baby, or there is some project of yours, okay, which is in the making stage, which is in the creation stage. So the angels are telling you that that your whatever, whether it is pregnancy or projects, okay, it will happen, and it will happen beautifully. Now, very interestingly, you guys have chosen the tower card, okay, and you've also got the blessed change card. You have got the big happy changes card, okay, and also, my dear friends, you have got out with the old and in with the new, which is technically the death card. So, and also, as I said, you have chosen the orange candle, and I had told you in the beginning itself, it means sudden changes, okay? So yes, whatever your wish is, okay, there would be changes, okay, changes which you will not be expecting, but yes, those changes will be very good for you, okay? So transformation is what I am getting, okay? And also, don't worry, okay, this major life changes that are going to happen in your life, they are blessed and they are happy and they are big, okay? So definitely, whenever there is a transformation, you can't expect it to be too sweet and too nice and too smooth, okay? If there's a major life change, yes, the angels will expect you to put in your efforts. The angels will clear out the rough edges by smoothing it out, okay? So what I'm also feeling is that, interestingly, whatever you're asking for, okay, you need to let go, okay, and understand that your wish is completely dependent on you. You need to let go of the attachment that when it will happen, how it will happen, whether it will happen. You need to let go. Also, what I'm seeing is you got two let go cards. Let me just show you, okay? You also got this card which says, out with the old and in with the new. So I feel that this particular group needs to declutter their space, okay? You need to declutter, guys, because there's a lot of stuff at your place which needs to be removed. Okay, what I'm also seeing is that this particular group, I feel some of you have some government exams which you are planning to give. Also, what I'm getting is this particular group is also looking at some sort of government jobs, or maybe you guys are looking at immigrating to another country. Okay, so the angels are telling you that yes, it will happen, but you need to consult an expert, okay? You need expert advice, okay? So don't try to do everything on your own. Take some help, okay? Take some help of an expert. Also, what I'm getting is that some of you, okay, you are really struggling with your health, okay? So the angels are asking you that you need to work on your immune system, okay? Because either I feel that this particular group, you do have throat chakra issues. Also, I'm getting that yeah, throat, heart, stomach, these three areas I'm getting very strongly for this particular group. Lungs, throat, stomach, the chest area I'm getting very strongly. So you guys need to improve your immune system, okay, for your health to be better. um, and definitely the new home is happening. I'm also getting that the ones who are worried that how the funds are going to be arranged for a new home, let me tell you that the funds are definitely going to be arranged. Okay, it will be with the help of a lady. Okay, also I'm seeing that maybe a promotion or an increment or a business money coming via business. Okay, so this particular group, what else I'm getting? Yes, you guys have also got the marriage card. So you guys got the marriage card, the new home card, you got the improving health card, and what else the angels are what else the angels are saying? Yeah. So also I see a promotion or becoming an entrepreneur happening for this particular group. Now the angels are telling you that you need to put in that effort for your wish to get fulfilled. Okay, you need, because you are the main person who can bring about this change. Okay, also they're just telling you that get rid of everything which is not serving you, whether it is habits, procrastination. You guys need to get rid of procrastination for your wish to get fulfilled. Okay, and you guys, you constantly get up this signs, okay, from the universe asking you, okay, come on, get moving, believe in your dreams. So yes, this particular group, you need to believe in your dreams because you're not believing in your dreams enough. Okay, I'm also getting for this particular group something to do with your hair. Okay, you guys, you are very much wishing something about your hair. Okay, so the angels are telling you that wish of your whatever your wish is regarding your hair, it will get complete, but you will need to consult somebody who is a doctor, who is an expert beautician, an expert nutritionist. You need to consult one of those, okay, people. um, your cards are telling me that you need expert advice and expert professional help is what you guys need for your dreams to come true, is what I'm getting very clearly. Now let's see what angel numbers, what message the angels would like to give you via numbers. So dear angels, what message would you like to give to group 2 via angel numbers? So let's see what, oh, you got 3 angel numbers, lovely. Let's see what these numbers are. It is 66. Okay, can you see the number? 66, then 64 and 55. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Okay, let me explain you. Okay, the number 55, okay, that is 5 and 5 means change. Okay, and as it is, as it is, you're drawn so many changes card, the big happy changes, the blessed change. Number 5 means a lot of positive changes are going to come in your life. So group 2, oh my god, you guys are going to have a lot of major life changes for the better. The number 66 tells all your material needs will be taken care of, do not worry. The number 64, okay, now 64 is a number which is a combo of 6 and 4. It means that millions of angels are supporting you, especially your material needs. Okay, so you do not need to worry about it. Okay, also you have got 2 ones. If you add 5 and 5, it comes to 1. 6 and 4, it comes to 1. So you guys would be seeing a lot of 111. Okay, which means that the angels are going to fulfill your wish. So whenever you see number 111, it means that the universe is capturing your thoughts and it is going to manifest it. So ensure that you are more positive, you are very clear about what you want to manifest. 6 and 6 also means number 12, which comes to 3. Okay, so again what I am seeing is that the luck again, the luck. So you guys, which the orange candle is also about luck. So yes, this particular group, lot of luck, lot of changes, lot of positive changes. So if there is one theme which is common in your reading, it is change, a major life change. So your wish is definitely whether it will get complete, but not as per what you want. It will get complete as per how the divine wants it. So it is not about the timing over here, it is more got to do with the quality. So what I feel is that you guys, you're wishing a little less for yourself. Okay, so for example, if you are praying, okay, for that particular guy to say yes to you, or that particular girl to say yes to you, the angels are telling you that, you know, they have something better in mind. Okay, so whatever your wish is, okay, one thing is for sure, it's going to happen, but it's going to be something better. Now let's see when your wish will happen. Okay, let's pick a number. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, when will group 2's wish get fulfilled? Oh, I have got the number 2, which means from 2 months to 2 years. Okay, and interestingly also got the card of within the next 2 months, sorry, within the next few months. Interestingly, I said 2. So whatever your wish is, okay, the number 2, which is 2 months to 2 years, it will get completed within that time frame. Now 2 represents the moon energy. So this particular group, okay, you need to donate sugar. Okay, so donate sugar on Fridays for your wish to get fulfilled. Okay, so group number 2, this is your reading. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the reading, do write in the comment section what you liked about the reading. I read each and every comment of yours. I love reading them. Also write to me what new topics would you like me to do a pick a card reading on. Also, if you like this particular reading, do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss on our readings. Okay, also I have made separate playlist, okay, in our YouTube channel. So go to our playlist, you'll get different topics, so it will be easier for you to browse through our various videos. Okay, so group number 2, this was your reading. I hope you really enjoyed this reading as much as I did, because I definitely enjoyed your reading. Okay, thank you so much. So group number 3, here is your reading. So all those who had chosen this beautiful green candle, okay, I feel that you guys need a lot of healing. Okay, I also see that you guys, you know, there's something to do with your heart chakra. Okay, you guys are emotional and you need a lot of emotions to get healed. Okay, also I see a lot of money related things. I am seeing a lot of healing for love related issues. So yes, you guys will have wish regarding your health, your emotional healing, and money as well. Okay, so finances, healing your finances is what I'm getting from the candle that you have chosen. So let's see what your wish, what your cards are saying, okay, regarding your wish. So you're drawn 5 of Pentacles, and there I was right about healing your finances. Okay, 5 of Swords. Okay, so 2 5. All right, 2 of Wands, 3 of Swords. Okay, don't worry guys, we will definitely explain and understand. Okay, 8 of Swords. Okay, a year from now. Lovely. Patience please. Compromise. Ask for help from others. Business venture. Lovely. Travel. Romance. Abundance. I'm sure now group 3 will be feeling better. Yes, with an exclamation. Oh my God. Do we need to do a reading further? Yes, we do. Practice. Healer of emotions. Okay. Success. Lovely, lovely. Treasure chest. Oh my God. Lovely. And take action. Okay, so group number 3. Okay, your wish revolves around travel. You guys love traveling is what I'm getting. Very strongly. Also I'm getting is you guys want to be more independent. Okay, you are just done with the 9 to 5 job, or if you're already having a business, you want your business to grow, you want some growth. Okay, you are just you're just tired of that, being completely stuck in the same position is what I'm getting. Okay, yes, you guys, your wish revolves around abundance, travel, romance, business. Okay, what I'm also getting is that you guys tend to have a victim mentality. Okay, and this victim mentality is because of the childhood issues that you have faced, the bullying that you have faced, the heart aches that you have faced. That's why I was not surprised when you guys got chose the green candle. So guys, there's a lot of healing that you need to do on yourself in order to go, in order to your wish to get fulfilled. Please understand that whatever heartbreaks that you have undergone, whatever bullying that the society or people have done to you, okay, which has led to you feeling insecure, which kind of made you feel like a victim. Okay, okay, all these emotions, that you have felt, okay, will get healed with time, but also you need to heal them. Okay, um, please do not be stuck. Don't just kind of be in your past always. Okay, get out of that past emotions, move ahead. Okay, because success is there to greet you in the present and the future. So let go of your past. Okay, what I'm also getting is, see, you have also drawn the healer of emotion. Again, in the beginning itself I said, before opening your cards, that emotional healing is important. Okay, um you also, I'm getting, you guys are you guys have gone through a lot in life because you were meant to help others. Okay, so you may be a healer, you may be in a profession which involves helping others. Okay, what I'm getting is, that see, interestingly, you have got two cards, three cards, okay, which are on the same lines. Okay, so whatever you're wishing for, okay, you need to be patient regarding that particular wish. Patient because you there is a lot of work you need to do on yourself. Also, there is a lot of practice that you need to kind of do. So for example, okay, if you like a particular if your love life is not going ahead, you need to understand that what habit of yours is kind of stopping you from experiencing true love. Okay, you need to work, you need to practice, you need to work towards self love. Okay, also I'm getting compromise would be that maybe your expectations are a little too high, okay, regarding your wish. So you need to be more practical where your wish is concerned. Okay, also I am getting that this particular group, okay, you guys, you got the card of abundance and the treasure chest, which means money coming to you in I see kind of a windfall of abundance coming to you. So yes, lot of money, unexpected money will come to you, lot of abundance will come to you. However, even you need to take action. Okay, so if you are not doing your prayers, if you're not working hard, then you need to understand that you need to take action and practice. Interestingly, practice and take action is also the same kind of a meaning which the cards are giving you. Okay, also I see some sort of partnership. Okay, I'm also seeing that some of you are dreaming to either go abroad, or you guys are kind of dreaming to work in an MNC. Okay, so yes, that will happen. What I'm seeing, that this particular group, okay, you guys are there is some sort of recognition that you guys are looking at. You guys are looking at not only traveling the whole world, You're also looking at getting recognized. So I see that your wish regarding recognition is going to get completed. Okay, you know, you guys are going to travel like there is no tomorrow. I see you traveling, you know, I see you traveling the whole world, traveling to different places. Okay, I'm seeing you traveling and helping people. I'm seeing you. So I'm also seeing you know that of this particular group. Okay, you guys are going to move. Okay, I see a shift. Okay, if you guys are planning for shifting outside whichever country you are in, that's going to happen. Okay, that's definitely going to happen. Also, the angels are saying that, you know, you tend to be somebody who is not comfortable taking help. Okay, please understand that no matter whoever, okay, whoever the person is, whatever level the person is, everybody needs help. Okay, so be open to receiving help. Whatever it is that you need help for, ask for help. Don't be so shy, all right, regarding help. So this particular group, what I am seeing is your love life is going to get better. Your wish that you asked regarding love, regarding travel, regarding business, it's going to get completed. You guys are going to really get that recognition that you have been longing to get. Okay, but you need to heal a lot of issues, lot of emotional issues. Okay, because you need, these issues are not serving you. Okay, these issues are kind of holding you back. What I also feel is that this particular group, okay, you know, you guys tend to have a lot of people who tend to talk ill about you. Okay, who tend to put your morale down by saying really mean things. So the angels are telling you that do not give weightage to what other people are saying and don't let that affect you. Okay, because if you guys work on your emotions, you guys are going to really go ahead. Okay, yes, your past has been really bad because you got such, you know, uh such cards. Okay, so definitely your past has been really bad. Also, I feel that you guys are feeling stuck. You know, you feel as if your emotions, okay, you feel so stuck. You feel as if somebody has tied you. Okay, somebody has tied your growth, your wishes. Okay, so what I would suggest to you guys is that you can either, you know, sage yourself, or what you can do is you can light a black candle to get rid of negativity, or you can even light you know what you can do is you can light a lemon diya. There is a ritual, okay, of making a lamp out of lemons. Okay, so I will put that in the comment, in the description section for you guys. Okay, so you need to do that. Okay, whatever you're feeling so tied down right now, you're feeling so stuck, all of that is going to go away. You guys are going to, because you are the only group who got yes with an exclamation mark. So whatever you're wishing for is definitely going to get fulfilled. Okay, so whatever wish you opened this pile, okay, it's going to happen. Okay, for sure. Now let's see what angel numbers, what messages the angels would like to give you via numbers. So, dear angels, what message would you like to give group 3 via numbers? Okay, so you have chosen 89 and 69. Okay, so again, I feel the angels are telling you that do not, you know, interestingly, so many of almost, I think, all the piles that I have drawn, the number 8 was pretty common. I feel, I guess everybody is worried about their finances. Okay, so yes, so what I am getting a feeling is that this particular group, okay, the angels are telling you that abundance is coming to you. It will come to you via your life purpose. So follow your life purpose. Don't, this business venture which I think you guys got, okay, this card is talking about the same thing, your life purpose. Okay, whatever the business idea you have got, at least start it side by side. Do not just rush into it. Start it side by side. Let you know, do not just quit your job and get into it. Let it happen side by side. Okay, so what I'm feeling is your material needs are going to be met, your life purpose is very very important. Also, I see there's a lot of Mars energy, Mars, Saturn, Mars energy especially is what I'm seeing around this particular group. So you need to tone down your temper. Okay, because of all the pain and all the bullying that you have undergone, you tend to be, you tend to get angry a little bit quick. Okay, so you need to control that. But I see a lot of abundance coming your way through your life purpose. Okay, that's what I want to be very clear with. Okay, so the business idea that you have got, do follow it. See, interestingly, here also they are all carrying a lot of money. Okay, again this is also about money, and here it is also about money. So you got 3 cards for money. Okay, which is like so awesome. So yes, your travel wishes is also going to happen. Now let's see when you will travel. Okay, sorry, what I mean to say, when your wish is going to get completed. Okay, so dear God, Goddess, Archangels, when will group 3's wish will get fulfilled? You're drawn 5 reversed. Okay, so 5 reverse would be what, 2.5. Okay, so I would say that your wish will get complete in either between 2.5 month to 2.5 year is what I'm getting. Also because you have got you did get a card of within a year from now. Okay, so your wish should get complete between 2.5 months to 2.5 years. Okay, since the 5 number came reversed. Okay, also I see that there is a lot of Mercury energy with you guys. Okay, so quick energy, you tend to want things very very fast. So you need to, I feel that for your wish to get complete, you need to light you need to light a coconut oil lamp. Okay, especially on Wednesdays is what I'm getting, in front of Lord Ganesha. So this particular group, for your wish to get complete, you will have to light a coconut oil lamp in front of Lord Ganesha on a Wednesday. Okay, so this is what I got for you, group 3. If you resonated with my reading, please do write in the comment section. Please understand this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you. Also do write in the comment section what kind of readings you will like me to do in pick a card reading. Also guys, I have now made a playlist on the YouTube channel, so whatever, you can just go to the playlist, so it's easier for you to find out rituals, knowledge based videos on my channel. Okay, so do write to me what you really found interesting in this reading. Okay, group number 3. So this was your pick a card reading, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this pick a card reading. Do subscribe to my channel, do follow me on Insta, and do like my FB page as well. I love you guys. Thank you for all the beautiful comments, all the support, all the blessings that you guys keep on showering on me. It really means a lot to me. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.